Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Subaru Outback with a dead key fob. Don't panic if your fob isn't responding. Your car has a clever backup system. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your engine running, ensuring you're never stranded. This method uses a special sensor in your vehicle to read the fob's internal chip, even without battery power. It's a quick fix to get you back on the road. The primary method involves using the key fob itself to activate the ignition. With your foot firmly on the brake, take your dead key fob and press it directly against the push-button start. This action allows the car's immobilizer system to read the fob's internal chip. Hold it there for a few seconds as you press the button. This bypasses the need for the fob's battery to transmit a signal, getting your Subaru started. For some Subaru Outback models, there might be an alternative or additional sensor. Look for a small indentation or symbol on the steering column, often near the ignition. Hold your dead key fob against this spot for a few seconds, then proceed to press the push-button start with your foot on the brake. If you're unsure, your owner's manual will provide the precise location for your specific model year. Once your Subaru is running, remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Subaru key fobs use a common CR2032 coin cell battery, which is inexpensive and easy to find. You can usually replace it yourself with a small screwdriver. This simple step prevents future dead fob situations. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.